This screencast was produced and is hosted by the open source knowledge contributors at DevCast.co. Hi, my name is John Davison with DevCast.co. We're going to do a quick look at the Chunky-PNG gem. Chunky-PNG is notable for two reasons. One, because it's kind of like chunky bacon, and two, because it's an excellent on-the-fly PNG processor. Let's quickly jump in and look at an example of how it works. First thing we're going to do, gem install Chunky-PNG, and then let's require it in a file. We're going to instantiate an instance of the Chunky-PNG object. And then through some basic looping, we're going to create a bunch of color squares. Let's save this file, and let's head into the command line. And now we will open. So that gave us a bunch of squares. Now let's add a little bit to it. Right? So here on line 16 we're defining a color. On lines 18 through 20 we're basically defining circles, and Chunky-PNG uses a grid-like system. Here we have X and Y in radius. We have fill color and stroke color. Let's save this. Let's go back into terminal, rerun the file, and then open our PNG. As you can see, it gave us eyes and a nose. Now, to finish out the smile, we're basically going to add a couple of lines. We're going to save this, rerun the file, and let's look at our changes. Perfect. Now we have a little smiley man. Think of all the useful situations that you might need to make something like this. Thumbnails, any kind of little indicators. There's all kinds of reasons you might need to do on-the-fly PNG processing, and you might not want a lot of heavy external dependencies. This has been a quick look at the Chunky-PNG gem. I'm John Davison with DevCast.co. Connect further with this screencast author and get access to other world-class on-demand developer support at devhero.co.